Horsepower Hobby.
Welcome back to Horsepower Hobby. I am Torque, and in today's video, we're going to take the 05 Ram on a little bit of a kind of test run, play with it a little bit. We're going to try to melt these tires. I'm actually due for a new set of tires, and we're going to see if we can finish these off before we go and put a new set on. So let's go have some fun, guys. Come along with me.
So I want to show you what these tires look like, the current condition of them. This one's actually decent. Still has some groove in it. Take a look at the other one. Yeah, this one's seen much better days. So we're gonna finish these things off today. Let's get back inside and have some fun. Big old cloud of smoke back there. Too much fun. I can honestly say this truck doesn't gain much traction. I mean, it's just all spin. So maybe one day, I don't know when, don't know if we even do it soon, but maybe one day we'll put some slicks or some street radios on it and just see if it'll hook. We do need to get some other stuff done, possibly get the transmission looked at and gone through. Before we do something like that, wouldn't want to destroy the transmission all on account of it hooking up. But I mean, it is fun to drive with it, you know, kind of spinning. You gotta hold on for a ride, but it is pretty fun. So guys, I'm pretty sure the police is on to us. Check it out. Yep, there he was. So we're gonna kind of cruise and take our time for a moment. You can see him in the unmarked car back there behind us. So we're just gonna kind of take it easy for right now. We get back to the plan here shortly. So he's not following as close now, but he's still following me. Been following me for a little while now. He's behind that truck. So there's a couple of cars back behind us there. But we're gonna turn off here and try to dodge him a little bit. Get on some streets where we can kind of have some fun still. Let's see. Let's make sure he doesn't tail us. He's following me still, guys. You see him back there turning? So he's gonna turn on this street behind me. Let's see if we can get rid of him shortly. He's kind of killing the fun. So I think we finally lost the officer. He is no longer behind us. So time to have some more fun. Just trying to find a little side street with a little bit of, I guess, length to it so that we can play. I think I just found one. The transmission is not able to hold that type of power, but we're gonna keep playing with it anyway. That thing spin for a long time, and it's just spinning until you let out of it. You've seen it for yourselves, guys. Tried to get it the best I could on camera. Hope it picked it up, but it just spin. I'm telling you guys, the throttle response is just so insane. I mean, it's just instant. Never had anything to respond so fast. So I mean, this is the fastest vehicle that I've owned. By being at 760 horsepower. It's just crazy. Not the fastest one that I've been in, but the fastest one that I've owned. So I'm enjoying it.
The next day.
So it is another day, and went out last night and decided to have a little bit more fun. Man, I had a little bit too much fun, guys. I was planning on getting new tires for the truck yesterday. Really in desperate need of a tire for sure. Now, check it out. Kind of not much of a tire left there. Don't have many treads left on it. You can see it got pretty hot, and a lot of stuff is sticking to it. Made this tire really sticky last night as we were balding it. But on that same note, I will be getting brand new tires put on the truck in the very near future. But until then, found this guy laying around. It's a tire that I had and kind of kept in the past, and it still has a little bit more life in it, as you can see. It has some treads. So for right now, we're just going to stick this on in place of that one, the one that's extremely bald, and going to take it out and have a little bit more fun today. But as you can see, this tire here still has a little life in it. It's about as much as the one that's on the back of the pickup there. So once we get it installed, we're going to just cruise around and have a little bit more fun and go from there. But within the next day or so, we will be putting those new tires on, but wouldn't want to just roast those new tires off, the time we put them on. So right now, until we can get the fun out of our system, this one's going to have to do. See you guys at the shop. So as you can see, I've made it to the tire shop. They're installing the used tire, the tire that I had saved in my garage there. They're actually installing it on the back of the pickup now. So pretty soon we'll be able to roast them off again. Yeah, that tire right there is pretty bad. Really got the best of it. I said it wasn't as bad when I showed it to you before in the video, but last night we went out and had a little bit more fun, and it was done for. It looks like a drag slick. We'll be back in action momentarily. The tire is installed. Let's check it out. Let the fun begin again. Look at those marks, guys. We're just painting the asphalt. Just look at them. That's amazing. They're in there good. Look at that. That's just fun right there. Looks like we started right here. Spun it around. Tried to do like a little figure 8 deal. But you can tell with that limited slip that right side likes to catch more, which is the reason why that one is balder. Because it really laid it down on the right side. And no matter which angle we kind of brought it from, it just really laid it down. That's amazing. Well, let's hurry up and get up out of here, guys.
was fun. Had to get on out of there real quick. Didn't want to get in any trouble. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed already, do hit that subscribe button. And also, hit the push notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the awesome content I come out in the future. And like this video. And until next time.